When the weather cools down, I always find myself craving a cozy corner at home, a little spot that feels warm, calm, and just mine. For me, that usually means grabbing a soft blanket, a good book, and a hot cup of tea. It's the little rituals that make a season feel special. The Dreo heater has become part of that ritual too. It warms up my corner so quickly without heating the whole house. It's just the right amount of warmth for me to settle in and relax. And since the air also gets dry this time of year, I keep the Dreo humidifier nearby. The gentle mist keeps the air feeling fresh and comfortable, which makes my space even more inviting. Together, they make this corner my favorite spot in the house, a little retreat I can come to at the end of a busy day, because sometimes all you need is a warm drink, a soft blanket, and a cozy corner to